nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10 means write a program to return nearest 10 multiple of any given number. Input is read a number. Output is print 10 nearest 10 multiple number. 22. Previous 10 multiple is 20. Next 10 multiple is 30. What is the nearest means 20 only. If you provide 128, previous 10 multiple is 120. Next multiple is 130. But nearest is 130 only. That is our requirement. Depends on last digit, we can go to forward or backward. Last digit means 22, last digit is 2. 2 nearest is 0. That's a 20. That's a previous. In case 26, nearest is 30. Depends on last digit. If last digit less than 5, go to previous. Greater than or equals to 5, go to forward. Okay, I want to write this program using Java. Import Java dot tilde star. Okay, first I want to take a number. Int n equals to sc dot next enter. Okay, after that, what is our requirement? To find the nearest 10 multiple. For example, if you provide 22, what is the nearest number? Previous is 20, forward is 30. Nearest is 21. For example, 96. Previous is 90, forward is 100. What is the nearest means 100 only. That means less than 5 means go to previous. Greater than or equals to 5 means go to forward. How to retrieve previous depends on remainder value, last digit. What is the last digit? 22, last digit is 2. 128, last digit is 8. That's why I want to retrieve the last digit. If you want to retrieve the last digit, int d equals to n modulus 10. 22 modulus 10 means 2 only. 128 modulus 10 means 8 only. Then I want to compare that last digit is less than 5 or not. If it is less than 5, 22 remainder is 2. How to convert 22 into 2? 22 minus 2. What is our remainder? 2. That's why n equals to n minus d. For example, if you provide 154, what is the remainder? 4. 154 minus 4, it is 150. Else, in case if you provide 68, 68 means what is the remainder? 8. But 68 nearest is 70 only. 68 కి మనం ఎంత యాడ్ చేయాలి? 2 యాడ్ చేయాలి. But what is our remainder? 8. How to retrieve the 2 means 10 minus 8 means 2 only. For example, 96. What is the remainder? 6. What is the nearest? 100 only. That's why 96 plus 4. But what our remainder is 6. 10 minus 6 means 4. That's why n equals to n plus add చేయాలి. ఏం యాడ్ చేయాలి? 10 minus our remainder. Then system dot out dot println, yeah. Then run and save. Okay, everything is working.